Right now, the biggest shift that I am seeing is an embracing of AI dash cameras, even if it's just outward facing. Fleet managers, risk managers, they all understand that it's not about being a watchdog. It's about protecting your drivers, making sure they get home safely at the end of each day. Your most important asset is your employees. Having their back every day through an AI dash camera, again, if it is just outward facing, it gives everybody some peace of mind. The fleets that are really ahead of everybody else are the ones that are blending both telematics and dash cameras and using a single unified system to keep track of it. So that way you're just logging into one place. All of your data from what your fleet's performance is like, your fuel usage, idling, etc. It's all in one place. And all that data can then help inform across those other areas as well, ways to improve operations, efficiency, safety, etc. So I would say, in short, any fleet that is just using one single pane of glass is quite ahead. People don't realize that it's not just about recording the incidents or just, day-to-day life, providing context around any type of event that your telematics device is picking up on. From that data, you can tell your drivers, you did great this week on these things, but here are the 3 things that if you implemented next week, you would be at 1,000%, whatever. The driver scorecards are a great way to demonstrate to your operators and your drivers the control that they have when using a camera. Like it validates that you were being safe. And guess what? I didn't even need to watch you to know that. So driver scorecards, I think, are a really great way to put some control back into your driver's hands as well. Nobody wants a pizza party. Don't do that. Incentivize them with an extra day off. Or if you don't usually let your drivers take a vehicle home, if they're a safe driver, let them use that vehicle for a little bit more personal use because you are showing them, I trust you, you're a safe driver. You are setting the example. I think incentivizing your drivers in ways that both benefit them, but are also demonstrating to the entire team that when you buy in, this is what you can have.